We're going in. That's Mike.
Yeah, my bike's legit now. It's not a piece of shit.
This bike right here. Look at this. Loose ass spokes. Look at that shit. They're gonna fall off.
Hell no.
Loose ass spokes,
Hell
pegs.
no.
Look at these long ass 10-foot grips. Fucking 10 feet long. I don't know what stem it is. I think it's Haro.
Fly.
It's Haro. Why are you lying? Don't lie to me.
Damn.
Loose ass chain. No, that's pretty tight. Wait, look at that thing. Jesus. Spokes are okay. Still a, what is that? Haro rear hub.
Damn, son.
That's going in on Mike's bike.
I'll be a legend at boxes.
Nate's box. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Look at this. Okay, it's actually pretty secure. Look, everyone. It's got a big ass hole in it. Oh!
Aaron's having too much fun with that fucking little camera.
Okay, part 2. Mike's going in on bike. We gotta get the cranks this time. Look at these white ass primo fucking ugly motherfuckers.
Limited edition.
Limited edition pieces of shit. Plastic axe pedals that break.
You can't even see it. It's too dark.
Cause Mike's fat. Look at, they're even red. Oh, look at that pig. Sweet ass hub guard.
Why? Come on, son.
Look at the owner of this bike. Look what hat he's wearing.
I don't know why. Dolphins, baby. Dolphins #1.
That's why they're going with.